Welcome to Laundromat News Today. I am the news anchor here, Jordan Berry, bringing you news from around the world, all things laundromat related. Let's bring it back to kick us off a couple weeks ago to the Clean Show, where a couple of momentous things happened. Number one is Maytag, who is not as well known in the commercial laundromat space as it is in other laundry spaces. However, they do have commercial vended laundry equipment floating around out there. They named and awarded quite a few of their distributors outstanding distributor awards at the Clean Show there. I'm not going to go through the whole list of all of those awards, but make sure you're subscribed to the newsletter that we can get links to all the articles that we talk about today and any other links that we need to talk about at laundromatresource.com. Make sure you're subscribed over there. But congrats to all the winners of the Maytag Outstanding Distributor Awards, and also happening at the Clean Show. Awards, just the feel goods happening all around. Clean Show gave out some awards as well, particularly celebrating innovation in the industry. I just want to point out two in our space. The first one would be Laundrolux, who won the Innovation Award for Best New Product. And that new product was the Tosai. I think it's Tosai, T-O-S-E-I, Tosai or Tosai by Electrolux. And that's a combination washer dryer. In fact, it was kind of surprising to me. There were quite a few combination washer dryers at the Clean Show. So I'll be interested to see if those actually make an appearance in our space specifically in laundromats. I think at least up until now, they've been pretty impractical for most applications in our space. But hey, steps are being made to make them more usable. I don't know. Also winning an award would be Best New Application category. LaundryWorks, powered by Sense, won the Innovation Award for WashLinks, which is a mobile app designed for employees and attendants, leveraging NFC technology to give those employees, the technicians, installers, operators, better tools for on-floor equipment operations. So congrats to LaundryWorks and Electrolux for winning some innovation awards. All right. Speaking of Clean Show and industry important events, we've got two coming up that I want to highlight here. Number one is the Laundry CEO Forum returns to Dallas October 5th to 7th this year, 2025. With exclusive CEO level programming for laundry leaders. Now, listen, I have been a proponent. This is put on by Waleed Cope. Been a proponent of Waleed's and everything he's doing in the industry since I met him when he came on the podcast a long time ago. He's doing some awesome stuff. I went to his event last year. It was probably the best laundromat conference I've been to. And I have no doubt it will be even better this year. So if you're around October 5th to 7th, in fact, forget what I just said. Make some time to free up your schedule October 5th to 7th, 2025, and head out to Dallas to the Laundry CEO Forum. And listen, I'm just going to go over a couple of things. We have the entire rundown of the press release that's going to be on the news page. Here you go to laundromatresource.com/news and click on this week's news, and you can read the entire press release. But a couple of things that I wanted to highlight is here's a couple of the programming sessions that are going to be there. And again, this was top notch last year. I anticipate they'll be even better this year. But here's the first one I wanted to highlight: Revenue or Ruin, with Waleed Cope, Sharon Brinks, and Jeff Moak, exploring financial strategies that determine whether businesses thrive or struggle. Amazing. Number 2, profitable pricing for pickup and delivery services with Steve Brinks, offering a framework to ensure owners set prices that drive true profitability. Also, just want to kind of highlight, head over to laundromatresource.com, and in that resources tab, we have a pickup and delivery calculator that can help you calculate how much it costs you to do a pound of laundry at your laundromat with all expenses included, and then help you figure out how much you need to price your pickup and delivery service based on that and based on the margin you want to make. So make sure you go check that out too. And Steve is going to bring the heat at the Laundry CEO Forum. Attract clients with your brand. I've been saying, and actually it's going to come up here in a little bit, in this news episode, how important your brand is and is going to be even more important going forward. So if you want to learn about branding, check out Jason Vanna, who's diving into practical marketing strategies that help laundromats stand out and bring in more customers. And the last one I wanted to highlight is Clean Smarter, Earn More session designed to help CEOs streamline operations, maximize efficiency. So much good stuff happening at the Laundry CEO Forum. So check out laundryceo.com to book your ticket for the Laundry CEO Forum in Dallas, October 5th to 7th. This year, 2025. Don't want to miss it. Speaking of not wanting to miss it, the second event I want to highlight, we're going to go live on the scene with our on location reporter. Let's cut to that right now. Thanks, Jordan. I am here with my toes in the sand here in sunny Hawaii. The wave is coming up at me right now. In sunny Hawaii to tell you all about Laundromat Accelerator Hawaii. Listen, we are going to be transforming your business right here in paradise over 4 days, November 21st to 24th on Waikiki Beach. I want to tell you about what we're doing for your business, first of all, and then I want to tell you how we're doing it, what kind of style we're doing it in, all right? So listen, this is an action-based event here. Like, our goal and our plan is to dig into your business with you, and together come up with a 90-day action plan to help you add to your bottom line. In fact, I'm so confident in what we've got planned here. And again, you can check this out at laundromatresource.com/Hawaii for more details. But I'm so confident in the plan here that I am willing to personally refund your ticket costs if you don't leave with a solid game plan to bare minimum 3x your ticket cost. All right. That is my guarantee to you. I will, and I genuinely mean that, refund it, because not only am I going to dig into the depth of the data that I have compiled over the last 5 years with Laundromat Resource on what separates the best laundromats from the average laundromats and how we can turn your laundromat empire into one of those top 1% laundromats. But we've got Ryan Borneman with Fresh Leads Marketing that's going to deep dive not only in marketing, but in your store's marketing plan. You don't have to be signed up with him. You don't even have to utilize him after the fact. He is going to dig deep into your store's plan. We've got Amanda Barkey, who is an EOS implementer, and she is coming to talk all things implementation and operations. We're going to level you up. We're going to show you how the big boys of business run their businesses, and we're going to help you implement that into your laundromat business, whether that's a small single store doing self-serve or you've got a 30-plus laundromat empire. We're digging into it there and more. We've got a lot in store, a lot planned, but not too much because we're also in Hawaii. We want to kick it off with some style. We're jumping on a bay cruise to look over the fireworks going off over Waikiki on the first night. And the last day, we're going to, oh gosh, the waves are coming up. The last day, we're going to wrap it up on Secret Island in Kualoa Ranch, where they filmed Jurassic Park, Lost, a whole bunch of other stuff over there. And we're heading to Secret Island together. That's all included in the trip and a whole lot more. Some good food, some good networking, and some good old-fashioned elbow grease so that you leave Laundromat Accelerator Hawaii with a bare minimum plan to 3x your investment in the ticket cost. That's my guarantee to you. Check out laundromatresource.com/Hawaii for more information. This is because it's action oriented, because we want to dig into your businesses specifically. This is a small event, max 20 people coming to this thing, and it's first come, first serve. So you want to get in the room with a bunch of high performers who are serious about their business, ready to level up. You want to do it in paradise, and you want to do it all as a tax deductible trip. Laundromat Accelerator Hawaii is for you. So check out laundromatresource.com/Hawaii. Jordan, I'm going to send it back to you in the studio, and I hope to see you guys here in Hawaii with your toes in the sand and the sunshine on your face right alongside me. Okay, thank you, Jordan, for that beautiful in-person live reporting from the beaches of Hawaii, talking about the Laundromat Accelerator Hawaii. Make sure you're joining us there. Check out laundromatresource.com/Hawaii. Okay, we need to get to some big A-list names here that are impacting our industry. We've got a couple of them for you. Number one is there's a news story that Mike Tyson tried to head out to a laundromat to get his clothes cleaned, and he actually was denied entrance into the laundromat. And when asked, the reason that Tyson said he was denied entrance into the laundromat is he said they wouldn't let him in because it was closed. Closed. You get it? Because Mike Tyson has a lisp. It was closed, but he said it clothed, which created a funny pun. Okay, that was the joke story. Listen, I'm going to stop apologizing for the bad jokes. It was a great joke. Thank you, Mike Tyson, for your participation. And if you ever want to be featured on the podcast, reach out to me, Jordan at laundromatresource.com. Okay. This one is an actual real news story with an actual A-list celebrity. I mean, Tyson's also an A-list celebrity. I'm going to get punched in the face. Okay. With another A-list celebrity that is making waves. And I promised you that we were going to talk about branding coming back around. We've talked a lot on the news here and on the podcast about Tide coming in and how important branding is going to be as these known household names are coming into our space. We've mentioned this one before, previously in news episodes, but Kathy Ireland Laundry is back in the news with over 100 locations nationwide now, over 100 markets nationwide now. And they're celebrating over there. And just high level, in case you're not familiar with Kathy Ireland Laundry, that is a drop-off, pickup, and delivery service that is franchised with Kathy Ireland as the brand. Again, household name that is making waves in our industry. Now, both of these franchises, both Tide and Kathy Ireland Laundry and other franchises that we have coming in and private equity coming in, like there's going to be a lot of competition. But I just wanted to point this out. Number one, because, hey, this is news in the industry. But number two is there's a lot of money coming into our business. And let me tell you why. Partly it's because our business is a great one, even just self-serve laundry as it stands on its own with our new technology we have to help us operate. That's super attractive. But also, and specifically Kathy Ireland Laundry is coming into this industry because as of right now, or at least in 2024, the service side of the business, that's the drop-off, pickup, and delivery business, was a $30 billion industry. And it's projected to be $100 billion industry by 2030. So 5 years from now, it is going to more than triple what it was last year. So there's big business happening here. And the winners, there will be no ifs, ands, or buts about this. The winners will have strong brands. Start branding now. Go to the Laundry CEO Forum. Head to Laundromat Accelerator Hawaii. We're going to talk branding as well. Do what you have to do. Go check past podcast episodes where we talk branding. Do what you got to do to start building a strong brand now if you haven't started that now, if you haven't started that yet. Okay, so Kathy Ireland Laundry, congrats to those guys for having 100 locations. They partner with local laundromats. So if you're looking to start a pickup and delivery service and you want sort of the playbook handed to you, might be worth checking out. I honestly don't know enough about it to know whether that's going to be a good, smart move for you or not. But listen, it's worth checking out if that's the direction you want to go. Okay. We have covered a lot of ground here, from clean show to events coming up to celebrities to botch jokes and all the way around. That is the news for Laundromat News Today. News from around the world, all things laundromat related. We'll see you next week. Signing out.